Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2002 Mercedes-Benz G 500. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by all-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 120,221 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2002 Mercedes-Benz G 500. Built for adventure and style, it boasts a powerful engine, spacious interior, and rugged elegance. Own a piece of automotive history today. Don't miss out. This pre-owned G 500 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz G 500 is equipped with navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.